Hello. I know why this is tilted. Sorry, guys. There we go. Sorry, just figured it out. Okay, now it's straight. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, hey Sucelle. So I have this little piece of hair right here. Hey Michelle. It's like sticking out. Sorry, it's gonna be there. So I've already done my airbrushing and all that kind of stuff. Actually, if I just, let me lift my seat up. I've already done my airbrush. Someone was calling me. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. I think my show just started playing on my computer. Please hold. That was creepy. Okay. So I wanted to show you guys like how an easy way to apply your shadows. And today I'm using the Nude shadow palette. So this comes in the beauty box for May. Regularly on the website, it's $34 right now. So the beauty box, you can get it in that, and that's $99, and you can get a whole bunch more, including this, and the shaver, and the velvet veil, and a lipstick, and what else do you get with it? You get some airbrush stuff with it. I'm trying to think of all this other stuff. Anyways, it's a great deal. But I'm going to use this. But just to point out, if you want any other kind, so like I have these two, the beauty palette and the tarot palette, they're the same thing. It's basically the same colors, but either of those kinds, there's 4 to choose from. Those are $18 right now. They're on sale for $18. So you may want to steal it for the Memorial Day sale before they go back up, because $18 is a huge deal when they're normally over $30. So the Nude palette. The Nude palette has all mattes, so there are no shimmers or metallics in this palette in particular. So when you are putting your, I swear, people, stop calling me. And my computer turned on again. The show turned on again. Okay, this is gonna have to be fast because this is not working for me. I'm gonna use Straw, and that's the lightest color, and I'm gonna put it all over. And I know you guys can't really see this. I should probably put this closer. Getting up close and personal. Okay, my hair is gonna annoy me. I can hear our snow melting, and it's like behind me is an overhang like a roof, and I can hear it behind me melting, and it's kind of freaking me out because I think it's coming. Oh, I think it's coming in from the walls. And of course, when you have short hair, you don't have a thing to pull it back with. So I'm just gonna have to get over it. All right, so I put the lightest color. I use this straw color right here. This looks like the lightest, but it's not. Okay, next, what you're gonna wanna do is, so I have hooded eyelids. So I don't know how many of you have hooded eyelids, but hooded eyelids is when you open your eye, you can't see, this part kind of comes down and you can't see my eyelids. So whenever I'm like this, if I have makeup on my eyelid, you're not gonna see it. So I have to do my makeup a little bit differently so you can see.